millennials and money, and we've gone through some lessons. I don't know how many anymore, but let's continue on with another lesson here. And so we were talking about your assets and liabilities, right?
Yeah.
And when you read Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and I said your house is not an asset, what did you think?
Well, I think that's a conception that many people believe, but as you demonstrated at the last seminar that we went to in Argentina, my mom had her properties and she converted them into assets.
Correct.
I think it just depends on what you do with it, and it would be great if you could show us how to turn your house into an asset.
It's really fundamental. So if I could go back, I probably covered it earlier, but it's a crucial question. And this is what financial education and financial literacy really is. Again, it starts with a financial statement. And I would say probably 95% of all college graduates don't know what a financial statement is. You took an accounting course, right?
Yeah, I did.
I know you did parts of this. But I say to young people like you, there's 6 basic words to financial literacy and financial education. And the 6 words, again, are income, expense, asset, liability. See, I don't really care about my FICO score. A FICO score just basically registers, are you trustworthy with borrowing money? But a bank will never say, I borrow in the hundreds of millions of dollars. A FICO score not going to get me there, okay? And so it's kind of a ruse. I mean, it's important, but not for me. So these are the 4 words, income, expense, asset, liability, and the last 2 words are the words cash flow. And that's why the game is called cash flow. And the secret to being rich is not a college education, but can you control cash flow? And this is what cash flowing looks like. So this here, I need this, income, expense, asset, liability. Again, this is, you get a job. And this was my poor dad, go to school, get a job, get your PhD. And so this here is cash flow. So the income comes in and it goes out this way. First line of expense is tax. So this is a poor person's cash flow pattern. It's not how much money you make. Most people, I don't care if you have a PhD or no school at all, but they can't control the cash flowing out through their expenses. And so that's why people like Susie Orman say, cut up your credit cards, live below your means, because you're a spendaholic. So that's a poor person. This is a middle class person's cash flow pattern. And this is where the house comes in. First thing, most kids do when they get pay raise and all that, they buy themselves a bigger house. Oh, my house is an asset. Now, who tells you that? Your real estate agent, of course.
Yeah.
Right? Because they want to give you this false sense of security while you're getting screwed.
Exactly.
But when you look at what happens with a house, a personal residence, something I live in, the money comes in and goes out, and this is middle class, but it also goes out through a mortgage payments. Oh, but I don't have a mortgage. You still have taxes. You still, Hawaii just raised the property taxes on me, which is probably what I'm going to sell. I'm going to get out of Hawaii. But you have taxes and you have upkeep. So money's always flowing out. So that's why your house is not an asset, is because it's taking money from your pocket. So very simply said, assets put money in my pocket, liabilities take money from my pocket. And then this here is, so I'm not saying don't buy a house, but here is a house. And I started when I was 25, bought my first house, and it was an apartment, it was an investment property. I didn't live in it, I rented it out, and it put money in my pocket. So very simple, the definition of asset and liability is not the house or this, it's cash flow. Where is the cash flowing? So as a young person, and to all millennials or if you're old, financial intelligence is the ability to control cash flow. And that's what they don't teach you at school. They tell you to go to school, get a job. First thing is tax. You know, you'll pay, most of your money will go out through taxes in your lifetime. And then they tell you to buy a house and a car. A car is an asset. No, a car is a liability. You got insurance, gas, upkeep, and all this. Now, if you buy a taxi car, it could be an asset. It's cash flow. And that's very simply it. So this is a poor person. Money goes out. There's a lot. We just interviewed some National Football League players who make millions of dollars in their 20s. And most of them are broke in 2 years because they can't control cash flow. Intelligence, IQ, is can you control cash flow, not your college degree. College degrees are important, but they're not going to teach you this. So the cash flow game trains you over and over and over and over again to get your money in here to get cash flow this way. So I started with this. Cost me $18,000. I paid for the credit card and I put $25 in my pocket. Okay? It's an infinite return because the cash flow paid for the mortgage, it paid the expenses, pays the operating costs, and I still made $25. Kim's first deal was the same. Hers wasn't $18,000, it was $50,000, $45,000. And they put $25 in her pocket. But Kim now owns 6,500 rental properties, and she pays no tax because the income comes from here. If you have a job, you pay tax, but income, the rich get richer because when you have asset income, taxes are less. You can get it down to zero if you want. But that's financial intelligence, but can you control cash flow? Okay? So say it again, assets what?
Assets put money into your pocket, liabilities take money out of your pocket.
And so as a young person, you just focus on that. So when you're buying a new house, you gotta say, is this gonna take money or put money? You buy an apartment house, is it gonna take money or put money? That's it. It's cash flow. Six most important words for financial intelligence and IQ is income, expense, asset, liability, but it's really cash flow. Now, if I could bring up a more horrible subject, is do you think people can be assets or liabilities?
I think they could be both, to be honest.
So for most young people, they fall in love, they get married, they have kids. Is a child an asset or liability?
A child is definitely a liability.
Now, I'm not saying don't have kids, but you gotta think, the kid is expensive, and they don't get cheaper. They get more expensive every year. You know, then they go to college, and then
Hi guys, warm welcome to you. And today we are going to know two main important things in this session. One is how to work via blockchain. Important one. I promised all our participants who attended yesterday's training session that today we are going to show and share with you how you can work via blockchain. It's much easier than you are surfing your Instagram account or Facebook account and getting well versed with all those activities. You might do so on those platforms. First thing is this. Secondly, today we are going to get ourselves acquainted fully with our dashboard features, functions, and all those icons that are, depicted, shown, and available over there. So these two things are really going to give you big empowerment, and same thing, it can be from your side to be shared among all your team members so that they can know ins and outs of Rain BNB, Right BNB, dashboard, and of course, how to work via blockchain, because we have entered into an era that is called Web 3.0. Google, Facebook, and all these Amazon, eBay, Alipay, all these platforms are still working on Web 2 model. We have become one more level advanced, and we have been working on a blockchain-based system, Web 3.0 era we have entered into, and we are so fortunate to being a part of this, revolutionary, life-transforming platform called Right BNB as well as Rain BNB, which is really giving our opponents and the competitors a tough time. In just less than 6 months, we have surpassed over 628,000 users, and many of them are really earning so well as compared to the previous platforms they were earlier doing. So that's a good thing. So let me, without wasting much time, let me do everything what the topic of today is really going to enlighten you. But one thing before I proceed, the strength is not so good and overwhelming. Again, I would like to pinpoint this today as well. People don't turn up for the training sessions, and later on they find issues and problem challenges. They are complaining all the time. This is your business. This is our business. This is everyone else's business. If we are not going to give time, if we are not going to prioritize, our schedule and give time, energy, effort towards Rain BNB, definitely we are not going to be fully preparing ourselves for a big growth and big profits through this platform. 1 p.m. session, a lot of people complain that they have got jobs, European, Africans, people. It's a daytime for them. But how about now this time? Only 82 people. So, excuses are always going to be there, whether I'm going to do 9 p.m. training session or 10 p.m. or 2 o'clock in the afternoon. If you have the priority, you will find ways. If you will have the priority, you will find ways. Otherwise, we will keep giving excuses, guys. So no problem from my side. It's your business, it's your life. Whichever way you want to drift around, you can do so. So let's start without wasting much time. Now I'm going to share with you through other device. I'm going to share with you the screen, and I'm going to share with you how you can register, upgrade, claim royalty, reward live. Okay, right now. But before I proceed further, anybody is having issues as far as the logging into your dashboard is concerned? Anyone present here? Do you feel problem, challenge, issues related to, getting into your account dashboard? If yes, please raise hand. I will give you the solution right away. In fact, I have already shared with you in chat box, the Right BNB and Rain BNB, all the decentralized and centralized two domains. Okay, for last 3 days, it's been working very well for everyone. And let me share with you one more big announcement, mega news, that come 10th February, by 10th of February, maybe 8th, 9th or 10th, any day, there's going to be something really big for us, because we are going to be, operating ourselves in a totally 100% decentralized manner. Till now, our smart contract is only decentralized. Our program plan on those smart contracts, Right BNB and Rain BNB are decentralized, but our domains, our servers, our centralized system, and because of that, we have been getting through hell in last 6-7 days. So now, from the developers and the creators end, the big news has come. Before or by 10th of February, we are going to be totally a decentralized ecosystem platform, wherein we will not be requiring any centralized domain. We are not going to be on any server. Rather, it's going to be a complete 100% decentralized system. Okay. And you will be working through your dashboard only. No worries. A lot of people are scared. A lot of people are scared that, they don't want to work through the blockchain because it seems to them very cumbersome process. But no worries. You will be working through the blockchain only. But it is going to be, sorry, you are going to work through your dashboard only, but it's going to be totally 100% decentralized system. Anyway, yes, Mr. Sampath, in the early session, why you raised hand? What is your query? Please tell me quickly. Mr. Sampath, you raised hand. What is your query? Okay. Okay, perfectly fine. Thank you so much, Mohan. So now I'm going to share with you how to work through blockchain. So in order to do that, I did ask the question, guys, here. Anybody is having any issues logging to your dashboard? No one has replied. So I'm sure everything is going well for all present here. So here I'm going to share with you my screen through my mobile device. And this is the dashboard login I already shared with you in the chat box. So now I'm going to my PayPal wallet account. Okay, here's my PayPal wallet account, and I'm going to log in to the centralized domain. Uncaught runtime errors, it will appear. No worries. You just have to click this cross. Let me explain once more. You just have to click this top right side cross. Okay, I'm just doing it, and it is going to give you the display of the website. Now you have to just click on login. And here I go. This account of mine, 251082, is Emperor rank. My today's bonus for this account is 0.011. I'll get back to you on the dashboard learning. First, let me take you to the blockchain thing. Okay, so if you'll go bottom of your dashboard, you will find here, guys, the right BNB contract address ending with BC57. This is, sorry, not right BNB, I beg your pardon. This is Rain BNB contract address ending with BC57. Right BNB contract address is, of course, different one. Okay, so I'm now going to click on the contract address of this. I'll tell you today two methods through which you can do this kind of access into the smart contract page. The first one is go to your dashboard. You will find at the bottom the contract address. Just click that and it will take you here. Okay, now this is the fake phishing scam report. We all know that it has come on the opbnbbscscan.com. So nothing to be worried, just close this. Now this is the same contract address ending with BC57. You can see here. This is the same contract address, BC57, okay? Now I'm just going down. You can see the contract balance is 0. Transactions happening. Let me elaborate this also. Every few seconds, transactions are happening on this page. Let me refresh this. Just a minute. No. Let me do this. So transactions are happening here. You can see. Now I'll just go to the contract straight away. Now, when I enter into the contract, there are 3 buttons available here. The first one is the code. Okay, the second one is the read contract. The third one is the write contract. Now, code, of course, all the information that are written into this contract, those are the codes. Contract source code verified, exact match. Read contract section is going to give you information related to each and everything about the contract and the platform users and the distribution, everything. But if you'd like to work through the blockchain, then you have to go to the right contract part. And this thing makes it absolutely unique. The right BNB and Rain BNB is a smart contract. This is the only smart contract that got launched on 7th of August last year, 2024, wherein the users were, made this feature enabled within the smart contract to work 100%, absolutely 100% through the blockchain. All the users are empowered here to do each and every activities. What they can do, they have been doing, they were doing, they will be doing through their dashboard. They could do the same each and every functions via smart contract of Rain BNB as well as Write BNB. This is the only contract so far. In fact, after 7th of August 2024, seeing the success, lot of copycat, platform creators try to copy our theme, our project exactly or somewhere, modified form, but they could not succeed. They could not succeed because they could not get the, the community, the way Write BNB and Rain BNB platforms have been, getting and have really got so far over 628,000 users. So now, coming back to the how to work through the blockchain, I'm going to click the write contract button here. Now you can see write contract button. There are several things mentioned. The first thing is the first point you can see, claim royalty. You can claim the royalty. Second one is, sorry, first one is the claim lifestyle reward. Second one is the claim royalty. The third thing is get price from Uniswap. It's not meant for a normal user. Move pending lifestyle user. This is also not meant for the normal users. So 3 and 4 must be ignored. Too much of analysis sometimes leads to the paralysis of our thought and success. So don't get too much indulged in point number 2 and 3. Sorry, 3 and 4. Now, and 5 as well. Move pending royalty users. Now, registration is the main point. First number point, second number point, and sixth number point. Registration. Renounce ownership, it is on the developer side. Set address, different thing. Stack data, different thing. And a 10-point update lifestyle level, of course, it's for the users. And 11, upgrade thing. So basically, for us as a common user of Airbnb, what we should be looking for under right contract is the claim lifestyle, first point, claim royalty, second point, third point number 6, registration button, point number 10, update lifestyle level, and point number 11, upgrade your rank and level. These are the things for a common user to operate under this contract section. Now, I'm going to show you live today registering an account through blockchain, for which you just have to go to the contract, go to the right contract, and the first and foremost thing, in order to execute any function through right contract part, you must connect your wallet, because unless you connect your wallet, the fees and the corresponding upgradation or beginner registration amount is not going to be debited, and the contract will not execute your command. Okay, so first I'm going to connect the wallet, and where it is mentioned, connect to Web3. You can see here, connect to Web3 is mentioned here. So now I'm going to connect my wallet, and it's pretty simple. It's just a snap of a finger, guys. So here I'm just going to click connect to Web3, and it will give you this kind of message. Please note that this is a beta version feature and is provided on as is and as available basis. OPBNB does not give any warranties and will not be liable for any loss, direct or indirect, through continued use of this feature. This is a general message. In fact, in any Web3 wallets, if you like to use the DApp browser, any address, domain name, this kind of messages you will get there also. You just have to ignore. So I just clicked OK. Now it is asking connect a wallet. Which wallet? MetaMask Popular or Wallet Connect? Now a lot of people are having confusion on this part. Like, I am using the Web3 wallet right now. I have entered into this contract within Web3 wallet, through Web3 wallet. So if a common man's perspective will think that MetaMask is a different wallet, why should I click MetaMask? He will go to Wallet Connect. No, it's a wrong perception and wrong information. All our Web3 wallets, datas, 12-seed phrase, assets, they all are on blockchain. Web3 wallets, whether it's MetaMask, whether it's Trust Wallet, Token Pocket, Exodus, Binance Web3 wallet, or OneKey wallet, SafePal wallet, they all are the display system in Web3 domain. So we just have to click only on MetaMask Popular, which I've done. And you can see here my wallet is very well connected here. You can see my wallet has been connected, and the last 4 character 3CFB. Okay, so no need to be worried, don't get confused, just follow the process. A lot of people are having this misconception, oh, why I did click on the MetaMask, I'm using SafePal wallet. But those people only, they don't ask this question to themselves. When they go to a dark room and they switch on the light by just pressing the key of the switchboard, they don't want to know how does the electricity have really come. How did the, your light has totally got lit? From where the electricity has come, from the meter box or through your connection. When you switch on the AC, when you switch on your vehicle, you don't ask these questions. You don't ask this question. You just enjoy the features, services, facilities. How does the mixer grinder work? How does your vacuum cleaner work? Do you ask this question before operating those devices, instances? When you have been using mobile, how does the mobile actually work? Do you want to get into in-depth analysis and information before start using your mobile, laptop, or any gadgets, any device, any utility products? No, we don't. We just understand what function it's going to do, or is it going to be useful, beneficial, and we start using it. We buy the stuff and we start using it. Similarly, just follow the system process. Don't get too much indulgence of from your side into how, why, this, that. This will make you confused, and you will be totally derailed from your, the basic mission. The basic mission here to join Rain BNB or Ride BNB, firstly, to earn enough money and to help your team members to earn that kind of money through ethical, legit way. And whatever is being shared in this meeting or through other leaders' call, the emphasis is only on to teach people, shape people, all the basic information what they must know about the platform. This is one of the basic information. A lot of people say, my team members are not getting used to, they are not accepting to work via blockchain. They were not easily ready to use these features. Then definitely they are going to lag behind. After 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years down the line, they will keep pushing themselves backward. They will not move forward. Because we all know the corporates, the platforms, the companies that did not accept, they did not embrace the new technology, they always started lagging behind. So same thing is going to happen to all the individuals. Anyway, so moving forward, guys, here, I have connected my wallet. Now I'm going to register somebody's account live right now. So I've just clicked on the register button. And in the payable amount section, you have to put 0.0044 BNB. Okay. You don't have to write BNB, just have to write the figure 0.0044 BNB. And the referral ID is going to be 251082. 2510. In fact, I can register anybody's account through anybody's referral link through blockchain. Your wallet, your dashboard doesn't going to give you this privilege, but blockchain has got this feature. You can register anybody's account through anyone's referral ID. Okay. Here I am using my referral ID. Now I have to put the wallet address of a person whom I am going to register. So I have created one wallet just to show you the demonstration. So let me copy that wallet address. Here I am going. Here I have copied my wallet, new wallet, and I have just copied. And I'm just going to put this here, new account address. And I pasted here, guys. You can see here, it's been done. And the moment I connected my wallet and entered all these information, you can see here, the right button got activated. The right button got activated here. Now I'm going to click on this right button and the blockchain will perform the operation. So it is asking me to pay the gas fee. I did, and the transaction is completed. The transaction is completed. Now, how will I know the account ID of this person in Rain BNB? If you go to the view your transaction, it will not give you the account ID. It will just give you the transaction got completed 41 seconds ago, 4th of February, 5:31 UTC time. Call register function by this wallet. Okay, and now fake phishing is coming. Wherever the contract of Rain BNB, you will find on BSC scan, it is going to give you this wrong reporting, alert. No worries about it. Okay, so I'm just going to show you how to find the account number of a person whom I have just registered through blockchain. So what I'm supposed to do? Nothing. I'll just go to the contract and I will go to the read contract section now. I will go to the read contract section and here is the option called ID, point number 18. Point number 18, guys, you can see here, let me highlight. This is point number 18, ID. Okay. Now I'm just going to find the account ID of that person. This ID, you can know anyone's account ID in Rain BNB as well as in Right BNB by putting the wallet address of a person here. I have already copied the wallet address. So I just pasted here in the space and I'm just going to click the query button. And here we go. I've got the account ID of a person. I've got the account ID of a person 4418476. This is the newly introduced person. Through my referral ID, the registration was done through blockchain. And let me show you through the dashboard also. Is it the same ID? Just make a note, take a screenshot. Okay, 4418476. So, okay. So I'm just going to go to my dashboard now. 4418476. Just a minute. Here is my dashboard. And I'll go to my team section. 4418476. Just see this ID. I just registered. I'll just show you the date also. 4418476. I'll just show you the date also. See, the wallet address is same, sponsored by 251082. Date is 4th February 2025, 17:31 UTC time, beginner. So this is how, ladies and gentlemen, you can register anyone. Now I am going to upgrade this ID also. I'm going to upgrade. I'll show you how to upgrade this ID via blockchain. So I'm just going to copy this ID. I'm going to the blockchain once again, smart contract. Let me upgrade this ID also. I have come here on the contract part. Now what I have to do, I will go to the contract section. I will go to the right contract section and my wallet, I have to connect once more because I logged out of this. So I have to connect my wallet. First thing I'm going to do is connect my wallet. Same process. MetaMask I will select. Whichever wallet you use, if you are going to enter into the smart contract through your wallet, you just have to connect MetaMask. Don't apply your brain how, why, and these things like that. If you will keep analyzing all these things, then I would request you to keep analyze and ask these questions in every activity you do in day-to-day life, and you will be totally confused, puzzled, doing nothing productive throughout the days, weeks, and months. Okay, so don't ask how and why. These are certain things which has got the answer, but we are not supposed to know those answers. It is not relevant here. Okay. Now, I'm going to upgrade the account, the same account. So I have to click the point number 11, the upgrade button. Now, let's say I'm going to upgrade for influencer. So influencer, you have to put the exact amount. If you're going to put the different amount, it will show the contract will not execute the command of yours and it will show as an error. So I'm going to upgrade from beginner to influencer. How much is the amount? 0.0066 BNB. So I've just input that account and the ID. Which ID I'm going to upgrade? I've just registered that ID and I've pasted that. 44. You just have to input the ID number 4418476. And how many ranks upgradation I'm making? From beginner to influencer, only one rank upgrade. So I have to mention one here. I have to mention one here. If I wanted to upgrade to achiever, then I would have written 2 here. And I would have changed this figure also, 0.006 plus 0.132. Add these two figures and write the total sum here. But I'm just going to upgrade to influencer. Okay, so I'm just changing the amount and I have mentioned the ID, account ID, and the level upgrade is just 1. If this person is beginner, if I want to upgrade to pioneer, so 4 level jump, so I will mention here 4, and accordingly I will change this figure also. Adding influencer, achiever, ambassador, all 3 upgrade costs. Some of that will be mentioned over here. Please understand this. Some of that will be mentioned over here. Okay, instead of influencer amount. So I'm just doing this influencer upgrade. So I'll just let it be like this. Just a second. So I'm just going to click on the right button. Oh, something wrong I did, guess. Just a second. Oh, I mentioned the wrong. Just see this. I mentioned the wrong upgrade, 4. So that's why the execution reverted. I have been upgrading to influencer, so only one rank has to be mentioned here. Oh, something wrong. I have to refresh this. Just a minute. I'll just show it to you once more. Just a minute. So I'm going back to the contract once again. I've come here and I'm going to the contract section, the right contract part, connecting wallet. So 3 times I have shown you how to connect wallet, how to do activities. Now go to the upgrade part. You just have to mention the upgrade amount of influencer, 0.0066. And then you have to mention the ID number. I hope the ID number is, yes, it's there. Now I have to mention one upgrade. Now why it's happening like this? Just a minute. BNB is not there. No, BNB is there. Let me check the wallet. Just a second. The BNB is here. Let me do once more. Okay. So going through the blockchain once again. Contract, right contract. Connect to Web3 wallet. Upgrade option. 0.0066. And the ID number I have to I'm not going to copy it, rather I'm going to just type it. Just a second, just a minute. 4418. 4418. 476. 476. Upgrade level is 1. I think some problem in the blockchain, I guess, at this point of time. That's why it's not getting executed. Maybe we can do after some time. This is the process. This is how we can do this. I don't know why it's not getting executed, because everything is well in place. The amount is also fine, 0.0066. Account ID is fine. Level is only 1. It's not getting updated. Maybe some upgradation. Sometimes the blockchain doesn't let you do things because of the network congestion or maybe some upgradation going on. But this is the way. This is the way you can also do it. Maybe after some time, we'll try once more. This is the process. I have done several account upgradation like this only in past. So this is how it's going to be done. And that's the process only. But it's not getting executed, unfortunately. So we'll look into it once more. Let give, be settled for some time. Now, coming back to the main thing, the dashboard learning. That's also very important, guys. So let's have a dashboard learning about our Rain BNB account, and same applies to the Right BNB also. So here, you can see here, when you logged into your dashboard, it is going to give you the first part on the top, just below your logout button is the dashboard. That is the total interface. Right from the top to bottom, you can see here. That's called your dashboard. Now, if you click on the right side of dashboard, it is going to give you the My Team view. My Team view, the number first is going to be your your direct referral. The first thing is going to be the direct referral. Okay. So direct referral, all your people whom you have referred through your referral link. So this account ID has got 6 direct referrals. And here, those direct referrals account ID, their addresses, the sponsor ID, of course, here mine is sponsor ID, activation date also, and the time pertaining to those registrations and activations, and their ranks, which rank they are at, and how many directs they have done. You know, a lot of people, they don't find time, they are not actually aware how to look into all these information. Everything is there in your dashboard, and it's much user friendly, customer friendly. You can go through these details. You can go through these details automatically. Yes, Queen Bee has identified the reason why the execution was not happening. I was entering the wrong amount. Yes, Queen Bee. Thank you. Thank you so much. I was entering the wrong amount because 0.006 is the basic package cost, guys. Actual package cost is something different. So that's why the execution was not happening. No, 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 no. It's the same amount, 0.0066. I was entering the same amount. It's correct. 0.0066 is the only amount. I'm sure I am doing the right thing. Just a minute. Influencer, it is that amount only. Maybe some network issue, Queen Bee. It's not 0.0069 you're talking about. 69 is not the amount. No, gas fee is not going to be mentioned. Gas fee is going to be deducted through your wallet. While doing the registration, 0.004 I entered. Gas fee has to be debited from your wallet. We'll do it once more. No worries. Sometimes it happens. There's a technical thing. There's nothing wrong in my approach. Please understand. Okay, first understand the dashboard thing. A lot of people are writing this ID is not having OP BNB coin. You don't have to have that account ID, the BNB. Okay, I'm doing the upgradation through my wallet. My wallet should have the fund, which is enough. Which is enough. I'll show you how much fund I'm having. 0.01333 BNB is sufficient. Okay, it's sufficient. 0.0066 is needed. I am having 0.01333. No problem. Anyway, so don't give it a give your attention towards that. Sometimes it happens in the blockchain network, some congestion, some updation going on. So because of that, it's not getting executed. Anyway, first understand this, which I'm going to talk about it. So the first level is your like this. It's going to show all your direct referrals. And the good thing is that you know all your direct referrals. So if they are not working, you can motivate them, you can communicate with them, you can, call them, you can invite them. The problem is that a lot of people, they don't do this kind of activity with their direct teams. Like many of your indirect members, you are not knowing, you don't have the contact details of those people. So, you cannot make a contact with them, but your direct referrals, definitely in most of the cases, they have joined through your referral links, and 80-90% chances they are your known people. 10-20% maybe through the online promotion they got joined under you, but in most of the 80-90% cases they are your known people. So you can always have a communication with them, contact with them. You can make them learn the business. You can always inspire and motivate them. This is where your network is going to be created and built up through your direct referrals. But a lot of people are not having the communication connection with their direct people, and they just leave them to die in this business. So that's the one thing we must know. The second level is your directs. Now here also, guys, you can, my dear David, please. A lot of people have been writing, I have to enter a 0 to position, upgrade from beginner to influencer. No, I was not. I'm not agree with you. For one upgradation, one rank you have to mention. Look, okay, let me check into it. I'll check into it. First, let's understand this. Okay, that's not a big thing. I'll show it to you how to do upgradation. Okay, so here the level 2. Level 2 also, since you know your directs and they know their directs, so you can always have a communication. You can communicate with them. Like you can see here in my level 2, a lot of beginners, then influencer, one mentor, one icon, beginner, champion. So mixed category of people, director, beginner. So many beginners, and icon also, champion also, mentor also, director also, but so many beginners are there. So, this feature enables you and gives you the, access to connect with your direct referrals, and in turn, they can connect with their direct referrals, and you can also have access to those people contact numbers. You can build up the communication with them, and you can make them work. Like if I contact my this account 2336977. 2336977. Whose account is this? 23369. No, no, no. Just a minute. Just this one, the sponsor. 465541. 465541. Just see this account. So I can always knock this person to reach to his direct. So that's how you can have a track on your team, which one is doing what. And similarly, third level is your second level people's direct. You can see someone is ambassador here, influencer, beginner, director, champion, also pioneer, also mentor, also director, also. And the good thing is that the first two people leaving them, 1, 2, 3, 4, have not done their two directs. This is where the problem lies, ladies and gentlemen. If you are going to bring in beginner, they will not give any value addition into your business, not to themselves. You can see here the beginner. These second level people have introduced their direct referrals as beginner, and these 4 beginners, they did not upgrade. Why they did not upgrade? Because they did not understand the business, and since they did not understand the business, they did not recruit the minimum 2 people criteria. Had they recruited 2 people, they would have definitely at least upgraded to influencer. So this is where you have to introspect, evaluate where you are going wrong pertaining to your team. A lot of people say, oh, I'm not earning money. Where is the issue? Issue is here. You are not doing the postmortem of your dashboard. You are not, a good business owner is one who is going to check his inventory, who is going to know which products he or she is selling, which customers are really after them. We are into people's business. So we must know, learn, evaluate, examine how our people are taking this project, how they have been working, what actions they have been taking to build up this business for themselves. So these guys are definitely going to die. They are deadlock. Dead wood. Prema says dead wood. They are dead wood. They are not going to give you any flowers, fruits ever. So, don't bring dead wood into the business. That's why I say bring people with mentor rank, champion rank, pioneer rank. A lot of people say, no, they are not going to come with that big amount. That is, you have accepted this belief. You have accepted this wrong belief level that they are not going to come. People are coming with icon, legend directly. Bangladesh, such a poor country. People are joining with icon, champion, director rank straight away. Because whatever you are going to sell, the people are exactly going to buy the same. If you are going to sell the beginner package, everyone will buy beginner. If you will sell mentor, everyone is going to buy mentor. So it's pretty simple principle. There is nothing called expensive or less expensive here. We are into people's. If you want to start a good business, ask yourself how much money you will be investing to start a small scale business also. How much money? Will you start any business in $500, $200? No way. No way. So here you think $140 for mentor is a big amount. It's your wrong perception, my dear friend. That's why you are lagging behind, and that's why you are not earning the way you should have earned from the platform, because you have closed your mind. You have closed your mind. Okay, so this is the thing we must need to do. One feedback come from the upgradations. Okay. Okay, someone has written, Dave from India, that he has done the upgradation through blockchain. Okay, congratulations to you, Dave. I will also do the upgradation. No worries. Don't worry. Don't make that thing too much, attention here. Let's understand this. So, third level. Similarly, you can analyze the fourth level also. Fourth level, if you go, you can find these are your own trees, your directs, their directs, their directs, their directs, up till 15 level it is going to show. I can see here. Now here, achiever is there, influencer is there, beginner again. Beginner is always going to give you a lot of begging. Don't invite beginner, please, guys. If you want to be successful, stop making someone join through beginner rank. Beginner is just the entry level, and straight away then and there upgrade that person, tell that person to upgrade to mentor, pioneer, or in worst case ambassador, not below that. If you are bringing anyone below ambassador, you are killing your business, trust me. If somebody is not willing to invest $30 also, $30, $35 for ambassador, then what value addition that person is going to give towards this business? $32, $35 is not a big amount. Any country you talk about, any country you talk about. So beginner, influencer, achiever, if you're going to bring, never you're going to make big money from the platform. That is the strong message I want to give you today. You can see here, analyze my data. Beginner, now just see this guy. Just see this guy. He has done 3 directs. But he is still a beginner because he's not got the information about the platform. He would have got the money, and when did he join? But he did not upgrade because he did not understand the business. He joined on 8th of November, my goodness. 8th of November, long time back. So he did not, his sponsor did not educate him. At that time, this kind of display was not there for us. Recurring level bonus, this is the new display that came for your own genealogy from 17th of January onwards for Airbnb. Okay, so you can see here, having done 3 directs, this guy has not upgraded to influencer. And that's why he has, totally exit this business. So you can analyze your downlines like this and make a contact. Now this guy, just have a look. If you will see your genealogy, you will find this guy is a mentor. Mentor, he invested $130, $140, $150. That time the BNB was high, $140 above. But he has done just 1 direct. What is the use? What is the use? He has lost his $140 because he was not having the full knowledge. It is the sponsor who is to be blamed. That's why I say why people are not coming for the training, because of the sponsor's negligence. You must go into the root cause of your non-performing team. If you will analyze your data like this, you will never ever have a dead team. So this is the way to analyze your team. Analyze everything. Where things are going wrong, just see this. This guy is ambassador and did not do even 2 directs also. So it's complete waste. He has lost his $35. So this way, you can check level 5, level 6, level 7, you can keep on going. So my team is only going to give you information about your directs and their directs. Now, community tree. Community tree is your tree, matrix binary tree, wherein community tree is your matrix binary tree where your directs, your uplines more than 2 directs who are going to come as a spill under you, under your downlines direct, they all are going to be shown here in a matrix binary format. Binary means only 2. Anybody is going to have only 2 people under themselves, him or her. Okay. So here you can see this is my account ID. If you click on this Binance logo, if you click on this Binance, what happened? If you click on this Binance logo, if I go to the my community tree, you can see here this Binance logo. If you are going to click here, then it will give you information about what? About all your details. Your account ID, your address, rank, activation date, referred by, community size. How many of you were knowing this? How many of you were knowing this feature in your community tree? Can you raise hand? Only 3 people, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 14. Okay, anyway. But I'm sure not everyone was knowing this because they did not get the education. They did not get the learning. Similarly, you can check for your team members also here. All the Binance logo, if you click, it will give you all the details like this. And you can keep on going like this. You can go down and search like this. Now, one good thing I want to tell you here, ladies and gentlemen, suppose you want to know someone else's account ID. If you want to search which level that person of yours is under you, then you just have to input the account ID and you have to click on the search button. You'll just have to click on the search button and it will give you the information like this. I did not put any account ID, so that it was giving the the wrong input here. Suppose I 265285 265285. Let's say this ID. Which level this ID is from me. So 265285, you go back one level and go back again 2 levels. So this ID is at my level 2. You can see here 265285 here. So this is how, if you know someone else's ID in your account, under you, you can search through this button. It will give you the exact number of, details. Similarly, community information. Community information is going to give you the binary tree structure. Level 1 will have 2 people. You can see here, only 2 people are there. Level 2 will have 4 people. 4 people are there. It's a rank upgrade bonus you are getting paid from your community. Level 3 will have 8 people, all filled or all beginner. Most of the one achiever, one legion, one influencer. One influencer did not do 2 directs. Did not get 2 directs. Level 4, 16 people you will have. But in my case, I am having only 5 people. Level 5 will have 32 people. But in my case, I'm having only 8 people. But a lot of my downlines under this account is not working. It's not working. Level 6 should have 64 people. But for me, it's only 12 people. So not all people are working. Mentor, champion, champion, mentor, director, mentor, champion, achiever, beginner, beginner, like this. But no 64 people have filled my 6th level. 128 people, but only 19 people are there in my binary tree. And their ranks are like this: mentor, pioneer, mentor, director, ambassador. Emperor is also there: mentor, mentor, champion, pioneer, beginner, influencer, champion, like this. And some of them have not done the 2 directs, especially the beginner. Beginners are very, lazy people. Lazy people, and they are making, losses for themselves and for you also. So don't invite beginner. From today, just leave beginners aside. So this is how the community information. Royalty and reward, the same thing. Royalty and rewards, royalty countdown is going on, 24 hours timer you will find here. And the moment this 24 hours timer becomes 0, 0, 0, 0 hours, 0 minute, 0 second, the new 24-hour timer will start and you can claim your royalty for any rank if you have achieved. That's how the system works. In Icon, 625 users. Legend 198 users, Emperor 142 users, Conqueror 3 users, Chancellor 2 users, Creator only 1. Reward countdown, lifestyle reward. This is weekly countdown. 5 days are left for the next week closing, 15 hours, 54 minutes, 57 seconds. When it becomes 0 days, 0 hours, 0 minutes, 0 second, the closing will done automatically by the smart contract. And you can claim your Prime Club or Elite Club if you have qualified. But understand, guys, one more important thing. When you make qualification criteria achieved for your lifestyle reward, you will find an update button just below your qualified club. Suppose you have qualified for Prime Club, you have become director and you have your 5 direct referrals, they became champion. Then you will find under Prime Club here, you will find below the income generated $0. Here you will find a update button. Automatically it will reflect. You just have to click on this update button to let the smart contract know that you have qualified and you will be added for this countdown closing. If you will miss to click on this update, you will not be considered for this week closing and you will miss the payout for this week. You will definitely get $3,000, but this week you will not get. Your week will start from next week onwards. And if you fail to update this information under your Prime Club next week also, you will again deprived of that week income also. So you must achieve any of one of these five clubs criteria, then you have to update, then only you will be counted for that week closing. Okay, in royalty there is no such update. Royalty automatically you qualify, you just have to claim the royalty. So this is the information which is very vital. Dr. Khalid from Egypt have lost 2 weeks Prime Club income. He did not have any financial loss, but he lost the 2 weeks income because he did not update his Prime Club, status. So that's the thing, I think. So I've shared with you about all these things. Now come back to the main thing. Now, very, very important information I want to share with you, ladies and gentlemen. A lot of people still ignorant, unaware what these social media logos are for. These are for you to get all the updates, information, and get yourself connected with the right BNB and Rain BNB developers. Okay, a lot of people have not finding it, you know, any interest level they don't have, or they were not being educated, or they feel, I really don't know what are the reasons for them not to subscribe and follow these accounts. At least I would urge and suggest you to go for two, Telegram and WhatsApp account to get all the updates. If you're not going to subscribe, at least do these two accounts. Definitely you are going to lag behind and miss out all the important information which you should have come to know exactly. So that's the one thing. Now here you can see here, this is today's bonus. It is going to show. Now a lot of people are having confusion. Today I got a query, very unusual kind of query people are asking me. And okay, that person is also here. I will not take the name. So I got this query today and I understood where is what wrong. Actually, a lot of people, they don't understand how does the dashboard actually give you informations. Today's bonus means 0.01550 BNB I have earned. Now, today's means what? We are all living in different time zone, different country, following which time clock this platform follows. This platform follows UTC time. UTC time is as same as GMT time. When the platform got launched on 16th of January 2025, and launching time, I'm sure many of you don't know, but I know this. Launching time of 16th January was, what? 6:20 p.m. in the evening. So this today's income 24-hour calculations from 6:20 to 17th of January 6:20, 18th of January 6:20. This today's bonus is being calculated as per that time when the platform got launched. So you will find this time, 2-3 other people also asked me, those are also present here earlier, what this today's bonus, what is the time, they consider for this 24 hours calculation. This is today's means 24-hour income calculation. So this is what. Now this is your wallet address, the wallet through which you have connected your account. This is your wallet address. Okay. And this is the fund lying into your wallet is also going to be displayed here. That's your user ID, that's your rank, that's the activation date, and this is the ID that referred you. So all these information are clear. Now moving forward. Now these are the packages here. Like this ID of mine is at Emperor ranks, only three more ranks I have to, sorry, three more ranks I have to upgrade: Conqueror, Chancellor, and Creator. Okay. So only 3 packages are going to be valuable. If I want to upgrade through dashboard, I just have to click Conqueror. If I want to upgrade Chancellor also, a lot of people are having this confusion also. Can I upgrade directly to Chancellor without, subscribing for Conqueror? No. You cannot go to the 10th stair without, climbing stair number 1 to 9. You have to go to the 10th stair, climbing through stair number 1 to stair number 2 to stair number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then only you can reach to stair number 10. So if you want to go to Creator, you have to pay the price for all the previous ranks, which you have not subscribed earlier. So you must take this into consideration, okay? Okay, so I have just unchecked it. Now here is the referral link. Now referral link is also 2 kinds of referral link is showing here. This is the centralized referral link. This is the decentralized referral link. You all know that we had gone through a tough hell time in last 6-7 days where cyber attacks were at its peak, and sometimes several times in last 6-7 days. Our domains were being suspended from the service providers end. The server were being attacked. We were being delisted from the server, so the domain was not working. So these kind of things happened. So in order to fight back and to prevent those kind of situations, the decentralized domains and referral links were being created from the developers end. And this is where this decentralized referral link is. It's totally your choice to use the centralized link or decentralized link. Both are going to be working same. No need to be worried about it. Okay, so these are the two referral links pertaining to your account only. Pertaining to your account only, and I'll show it to you also. Just a minute. If I click on this, just a minute. What happened? Just a second. Yeah. So if you click here, you can see here my referral ID 251082 for centralized link, and for decentralized link also my referral ID. So there is no problem. Don't get puzzled, bugged up. What is happening? Just a minute. Yeah. So same referral link is there. Your account ID referral link only. You can see here my referral ID. Okay. So you can use both the links. There is no problem. So that's the one information about your referral ID. Always copy your, if you want to, tomorrow, if you want to make someone join through your referral link, go to your dashboard, copy the current link and share with your people. After a week, if you want to register someone through your referral link, just go to your dashboard, copy the referral link, any one of these two referral link. Don't use the previous links because till 10th, guys, it might get changed also. But your account ID will remain same. Okay, so you can log in and copy the latest referral link, though it's not going to change, but I'm just giving you a piece of advice. Now check out royalty and rewards. Same thing, if you'll click here, again the same tab will open like I showed you here. Here also the same thing, royalty and rewards. Here also the same thing. Okay, now coming back to the dashboard. Now total bonus. Yes, total bonus is the bonus you have earned combining all the bonuses. 6 types of bonus. 6 types of bonus. What are those? Can you name? 6 types of bonus. Referral bonus, recurring level bonus, direct bonus, rank upgrade bonus, royalty bonus, reward bonus, lifestyle reward bonus. 6 types of bonus. Combining all your incomes will reflect here under total bonus. Total deposit, the rank for which you are going to pay, like I am at Emperor rank. So from beginner to Emperor, how much I have paid to the smart contract? 12.286 BNB. That's my total. On this account, I have paid this much and I have earned on this account just 9.39. So I'm in deficit. I'm in loss pertaining to this account. If I evaluate my money I put into the system for this account, and the earning I have made, though I have overall, considering all my accounts, I am in huge profits. Okay, but I'm just going to share with you the information pertaining to this account. How many direct referrals I have made? 6 direct referrals. Though I have made more than 70 direct referrals, combining all the accounts. But here you will find only 6 direct referrals. This is the community size. And community size, total team members under your binary tree. Direct bonus is this much. Okay, so now referral bonus, this much. Upgrade bonus is the biggest income. I always tell people, out of the total income 9.39, how much I have earned from upgrade? 9.156. Level bonus just started 0.1399, but it's not also not bad. Just say this, I want to show people something interesting. I earned the level bonus, means recurring level bonus, 0.13995. It's not bad. 0.13995 I have made. Just a minute. We can calculate this. You can calculate this here. Royalty is 1/1 BNB. Total lost income is 0. Now, this is interesting to address this issue. A lot of people have confusion about this total loss bonus. Why I'm losing my income? Why this? Why that? How this? How that? All these kind of things. Ignorance is said to be a bliss thing. See, total loss bonus earlier also people were losing, but they were unaware because it was not shown on your dashboard. It was not reflecting in your dashboard, and because of that people were not having this notion how much money they are losing. So now see, this is the improved and enhanced version. So this time they try to display this on your dashboard so that you should be totally active. You must upgrade. The whole platform of Rain BNB and Ride BNB is all about upgrading yourself at the earliest. If you are not going to upgrade, definitely you are going to lose out. And in real life also, ladies and gentlemen, the same thing happens. If we are not going to upgrade our knowledge, our learning, our education, our way of thinking, everything, then definitely we are going to have a fallout, lose out kind of experience. Same thing happens here. So earlier it was not being displayed, now it's being displayed. So why there is a lot of fuss about it? If you are not going to upgrade, you are going to lose your money for sure. And it is going to be displayed here. Now, rank bonus, a lot of people are having confusion. 2, 3 question that comes, and sometimes that gets me also zapped, situation. I'll tell you, it is going to give all the incomes that you are going to earn from referral bonus, recurring level bonus, direct bonus, rank upgrade bonus. All those incomes you will find here, not royalty and reward, not royalty and reward. All those 4 incomes which you will get from the platform will get added and it will be displayed over here. Now, recent bonus, all the latest income, just see this. Recurring level bonus, Rain BNB. Really, BNB is raining into this wallet. Though I am not working on this account much now. You can see here, 4th February from layer 1, it's happening. 4th February. How many times I got the income today? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. You will keep on counting. This is called Rain BNB. A lot of people were having this, dilemma also. Why Rain BNB has been, Ride BNB has been renamed as Rain BNB, because every moment you are earning BNB, though it's pretty small, but small drops putting into the vessel and wallet is definitely going to fill that vessel. So it's definitely going to be income 0.01550. No royalty reward I have got, because I did not upgrade this account. Okay, anyway, no, I got the Royal Emperor income also. Okay, so this is how your dashboard actually works, and this is the contract. Now, if you have any questions now, we'll take up the questions, but let me try the upgrade of thing once more. Let me try the upgrade thing once more here. Why it was not happening? Let me check. Upgradation through blockchain. So my wallet is connected now. I'm going to the upgrade option, going to enter the amount. Okay, okay. Mohan Raj has said that actually the upgradation has already happened for that account. Let me check that account. Let me check that account. That's why it's been done. Sometimes the glitch in the blockchain that doesn't let you do things. So let me check. Mohan Raj has given me the answer in the chat box. Let me copy that. Oh, it is just a minute. No, 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 no. Just a minute. Let me go through the chat box. What was the ID? I don't remember. The ID was 44 something. Dave has texted me in the chat. Let me check the ID. What was the ID? Yeah. Thank you, Mohan Raj. He has texted me the ID 4418 So let me put the query here. Yeah. The ID has already been activated through blockchain only. The blockchain was giving that error message, but it actually got upgraded to influencer. We can check here. So second time I did, first time it got happened, but it was giving the error message. And second time I tried to do, then it was also giving the second message because that ID is already upgraded to influencer. It happened through blockchain only. And if you want to see the achiever upgradation also, I'll just show it to you. Let me upgrade this ID to achiever also. I hope the fund is there in my account. Just a second. You can see here. You can see here, guys. The fund has moved into my wallet. No, but how come the transaction is not showing here? Anyway, so let me do the upgradation for achiever for that ID. Okay. So you can upgrade like this. It's pretty simple. Today I shared with you how to upgrade, how to connect your wallet. It's a very, cakewalk kind of thing. Provided you know things well, then only it's going to be done. Okay, for achiever, let me check the exact amount, 0.0132. 0.0132. The account ID is, just a second, let me see the account ID, 44184. 4418476. And the influencer to achiever 1 rank upgrade. Yes, you can see this guy. So that time the glitch happened in the blockchain. The ID got activated, but it gave me the error message. Now this ID is activated. Now let me check in the read contract section whether this ID has been upgraded to achiever or not. For this, let's go to the user info part, and here I am going to put that ID again, 4418476. Now I'm clicking on query. Now you can see here the third upgrade has already been done. The third upgrade has already been done here, you can see. So that's how you can do things pretty well. There is no need to be panicked. That's why I was telling you there was some error that was coming because of, the ID got upgraded, but on the display it showed the, some error message. So thank you, Mohanras. Thank you so much for helping me out. Now let's have some questions quickly, guys. Yes, Joanne, what is your question? Oh,
Yes,
acha,
thank you so much. Thank you so much, KK.
Igman, Joanne, please wait. Now, Dave has upgraded this ID through blockchain earlier. Thank you, Dave. Thank you so much. Dave is a participant here from India, and he's a very well working, ladies and gentlemen. So when I was finding that glitch, he went to the blockchain and he upgraded that ID, and that's how it became influencer. Now he has texted me, and now I showed you one more upgrade for that account, that is achiever. Okay, so that's good thing. Thank you, Dave. Thank you so much. Yes, Joanne, what is your question? Please come up.
Yes, at the very beginning when you showed us and you were on your dashboard and you went to click on something in order to get to the blockchain, where was that? Because
it's on your
I
dashboard, ma'am.
didn't.
It's on your dashboard. If you log into your dashboard, you will go down, you will find that contract address on your dashboard. You click on that, it will take you to the smart contract page. Log into your right now. If you have having access to your device where your wallet is, please log in right now. I will help you.
Okay, I'll log in.
Yeah, you just do it, and if you're finding an issue, I'm here to help you. Yes, Vinny, what is your question?
Good evening, everybody. KK, it's not a question. I wanted to give you feedback on Michael's question for this afternoon.
We can talk about this later also, Vinny. I think running short of time, there are so many
Okay, I
questions in the
thought
chat
maybe
box.
people would. people
No, no,
would
no.
want to know
It's fine.
because,
It's fine. It's fine, Vinny. We'll talk about it. Have you
yeah,
resolved these issues?
yes, Michael is mixing
Yeah, I know.
right
I knew this.
BNB.
I knew this. I knew a lot of people do like that. A lot of people do like that. I was knowing this. That's
Yeah,
what I told you.
okay. No, it's
No
good.
problem.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll speak about it later,
Yeah,
KK.
yeah.
It's
No
fine.
issue.
I just
No,
thought people would want to know what was the
no, there are
solution
new
that we
people here.
should.
It's needless to waste their time. Michael issues got resolved perfectly fine. Okay, so let me take some questions quickly because it's time to end this session. Linda is, please, when a downline loses bonus, is the bonus paid to the qualified upline? Yes, in rank upgrade bonus, it is going to be paid to the upline, but in recurring level bonus, Linda, there is no such provision. If you have lost the income, because 1.5% is a small amount that goes to the system maintenance for the development of the upcoming project and of course to build up this platform. Okay. So in rank upgrade bonus, definitely the upline is going to receive the bonus, but recurring level bonus, there is no such provision. Yes, Joanne, if you have got the access to your dashboard and you are ready to do the thing on blockchain, just let me know. Recording, you will get the Bashis for sure. No problem. No, Ahmed has been asking, can I remove one person in our downline? No, you cannot remove anyone. This is blockchain smart contract, 100% decentralized. You cannot remove anyone. Those whosoever have joined will remain like that, if that person is working or not. Okay. Now, there is a question from Harry. Hi, KK. So, can you build your business by funding yourself from your own money without recruiting? No, it's not going to give you any benefit, my dear friend. If you're not going, it's a community building platform, Harry. And community building platform, if you're not going to build up community, you're not going to earn money at all. Even though you fund this business through your own money. But we need people. We don't need money here. When people are here, you will need money. You know, the simple thing, ladies and gentlemen, I want to tell you today, why Facebook, Amazon, eBay, all these online platforms, why they have been minting, mining several millions dollars every year as a profit. As a profit, they have become $1 billion company, Apple, all these platforms. Why? They are not funding their money into the business. They have been doing that to build up the business. But because of the community, because of the people's power, they have become so profit-making organizations. So this is our business where we have to do what? We have to build up community. If you're going to build up community, you are going to be rich. And if you are not concerned and having issues and you have closed your mindset, you are not interested to build up community, to not to rope in more people, then you are always going to be average, poor, mediocre. Building community is very necessary to be successful, to make lots of money from any venture you undertake. Right BNB and Rain BNB is no different. But here, in other platforms, if you want to build community, you have to shell out a lot of funds, a lot of money. Operational costs are going to be huge, and there won't be any guarantee and security and safety that you will be successful. But in Right BNB and Rain BNB, ladies and gentlemen, there is 100% safety and security and guarantee. If you follow the system, you are bound to be successful sooner or later. And it's not a rocket science to follow it. Just bring minimum 2 good people who are going to duplicate the process. And don't limit yourself to 2. Don't limit yourself to 2. Do you know only 2 people? I say, always, when we die, we need 4 people. Bring as many as you can, because there are many advantages if you're going to do more and more people. You're going to do justice and help to yourself. You're going to do help and justice to your team members because they are going to get a lot of skills from you. And you are going to change the lives of those people who are waiting for you, me, and others to give them an opportunity like Right BNB and Rain BNB, through which they can make a lot of money and transform their lives. So 3 good things you're going to do by bringing in more and more people. But unfortunately, we fail. We limit our thinking and mind. So that's the thing. So Harry, you have to build up the network And Rain is such a wonderful platform building network. If you are not going to build up network here, guys, then I'm damn sure you will always be in a condition where you will not be able to build up this network thing anywhere. It's such an easy platform. So mind this. There's a question from Calvin. When you upgrade to Achiever, you number one and thought it should be number two. No, 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 no. Achiever, I put number one because you are already at influencer. You have to count the rank at which your current position is and the next rank you are going to upgrade. If you are already at influencer and you are going to upgrade to Achiever, so influencer to Achiever, how many rank jump? Only one. So I put one. If it was a beginner's ID and I wanted to upgrade to Achiever, then Influencer and Achiever 2 ranks I am upgrading. So I would have written 2 out there, but it was already an Influencer ID. This gentleman, Dave, has already upgraded that ID from beginner to Influencer. So in order to put that account at Achiever rank, I had just made one level upgrade. So I just put 1. That's the answer, Calvin. Okay, yeah. Chikvendu. Chikvendu is from Nigeria, Lagos. And he's saying he has imported his SafePal wallet into Token Pocket. And then he's been using that link of RainBNB to log in into dashboard. Yes, you can do so. You can log in into SafePal also. You can log in into say Token Pocket also. There's no problem. Okay. So I've answered all the questions. Vinny, you have to say something more. You raised hand again. I hope this session would have definitely given you a lot of information, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, and what is your question? Unmute, Anne.
Yeah. Yes. Can I share my screen because you asked me to go to my dashboard and I've got the dashboard open.
You can. Let me make you the co-host. You can share your screen. No issue.
Okay.
Any question from Mr. Sampath? You raised hand in the beginning. If you have any question, please tell me.
Can you see my screen?
Yeah, go down. Your icon. You join on 19th of November. Great.
Hi, KK.
Yes, yes.
I think first of all, let me finish up.
Just click on
I
this.
see it now. I see it. Ride BNB contract.
Yeah, you can click on this. You must get yourself acquainted with your dashboard. Click on there. Click on the contract button. Yeah.
Yeah, it's going round and round.
Yeah. Your network issue maybe.
There we go.
Yeah.
And so
You
to
can
actually
go
register
down.
somebody, then that person has.
You can go down. You can go down. Yes. Just hang on. Yeah, go to the contract. Yeah, go to the right contract. Just click on connect to Web3. Yes. Click MetaMask. You're connected. Your wallet is connected. It's as simple as that.
I did.
Okay.
Right. But the person would have to have registered because they would have had to get their ID, and then you get their address because it's right above the wallet there on the very
if you want to
part of the
register,
address, correct?
listen, ma'am, listen. If you want to register someone who is new and wants to register, through your referral link, you just have to have that person's wallet address because the smart contract knows and recognizes you through your wallet address. So you need to have a wallet address of a person whom you want to register. You just have to click on registered button, and then you have to put your account ID through which you are going to refer, or maybe anyone else account ID through which that referral has to be made. And you have to click on point number 6, register option. Yeah, you just have to put the amount. Registration amount is 0.0044. Then you have to put the reference ID of the person who is going to refer that account and the wallet address of a new person who is going to be registered. Okay?
Right. Okay.
When you
Thank you
input
very
these
much.
3 details, the right button will become active. Click on it. and fund will be debited from your wallet. That's how the
Yep.
things work. Yeah,
Thank you very
so
much.
Yeah, you're most welcome. Yes, Tahira. Last question. Yes, Mr. Sampath, come first.
Today's recording will be available. It was a great session today.
Yeah. Sure, definitely. You will get recording.
Thank you. Because a lot of people are asking how to do that, and I think we can share the recording.
Yes. We'll keep doing this kind of sessions. Tell your people to attend the training session, actually. The more they will attend, the more better information they will have. They will get confidence.
Yeah,
Okay, yes,
definitely.
Tahira. Tahira, what is your question? Please unmute. Last question, and then we'll end this session.
You hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah. While Joanne was on, I must have missed it. I wanted to know how to claim our royalty on the blockchain.
Yeah,
went there.
let's do it tomorrow. Actually, today I have claimed my
Okay.
royalty, so I won't be able to show it to you. I checked. I have already claimed my royalty in the afternoon. So
Okay.
tomorrow I will unclaim my royalty and do it live in the training session tomorrow. So let's
Okay.
do that thing for tomorrow. Okay, guys, thank you so much for joining. But one strong message, piece of advice for you all. If you want to earn a lot of BNBs, do get your team involved into this learning session. If you are equipped yourself, having all knowledge, you can impart those learning to your team on your own, or else bring them into this kind of session to help them know, learn, and fully aware about the system of Rain BNB and Right BNB. Then only your income is going to be more and more and more. Thank you so much. Take care. Good luck, good day, and good night.